What you eat truly affects your heart. Choosing the right fats can make a huge difference. It helps you live longer and avoid serious issues like heart attacks, strokes, even some cancers, and type 2 diabetes. Let us talk about smart fat choices for a healthier heart. First up, extra virgin olive oil, or EVOO. You know it from the Mediterranean diet. Scientists have really studied it. It is not just a guess. Actual research proves it helps your heart. One big study called Pre-Dimmed showed amazing results. People who ate a Mediterranean diet with EVOO cut their risk of major heart problems, like heart attacks, strokes, or heart-related death, by 30% over 5 years. Strokes alone dropped by 34%. That is powerful stuff, do not you think? EVO does more than just offer healthy fats. It is packed with things called polyphenols. These little helpers boost your good HDL cholesterol, calm inflammation, and even help your blood vessels work better. Eating olive oil regularly links to lower risks for many things: heart problems, strokes, breast cancer, certain gut cancers, and type 2 diabetes. Get this, just 10 grams of olive oil a day, if you use it instead of bad fats like butter or mayo, could cut your overall death risk by 8 to 34%. That is a huge win for such a simple swap. Now let us talk about canola oil. It is often overlooked, but it is really good for you. It has lots of good fats, including an important omega-3 called ALA, and very little saturated fat. Studies show canola oil can lower your bad LDL cholesterol and total cholesterol. Sometimes it even works better than olive oil for this. It also helps reduce another type of fat in your blood. Want the most benefits? Try replacing about 15% of your daily calories with canola oil. One study found each tablespoon you use daily cut heart-related death risk by 2%. The American Heart Association even recommends canola oil for heart health, especially if you use it instead of unhealthy saturated fats. It is cheap, easy to find, and good for your heart. What is not to like? Avocado oil is another option. It has good fats, plus plant compounds, lutein, and vitamin E. These can help your blood fat stay healthy and even help you absorb vitamins. But here is the thing. We do not have as much strong human data for avocado oil as we do for olive or canola oil. Most of what we know comes from lab tests, animal studies, or smaller groups of people. So while it is a healthy oil, we cannot say for sure it prevents heart attacks or strokes in the same way EVOO can. It is good, just not as well proven yet for those big outcomes. Sunflower oil also has good fats and is low in saturated fat. It can help lower cholesterol. But like avocado oil, we do not have big, long-term human studies showing it directly prevents heart disease or death. It looks good for things like cholesterol levels, but it does not have the same clear proof that EVOO does for preventing heart attacks or strokes. Here is the most important lesson: swap your fats. A huge study followed over 500,000 people for 16 years. What did they find? Every tablespoon of butter you ate daily raised your risk of heart-related death by 8%. Margarine, that was a 6% increase. But each tablespoon of olive oil actually lowered that risk by 4%. Corn and canola oils were either protective or neutral. The real magic happened when people swapped butter or margarine for plant oils. They saw big drops in death from all causes, including heart disease, diabetes, cancer, breathing problems, and Alzheimer's. It is incredible how much good a simple swap in your cooking can do. So, what does this mean for your kitchen? Ditch the solid fats and tropical oils. Butter, lard, margarine, and coconut oil are not the best for your heart because of their saturated fat. Instead, grab liquid plant oils like extra virgin olive oil, canola oil, and yes, even avocado oil. Remember, all oils have calories. The goal is not to eat more fat, but to replace the unhealthy ones with better choices when you cook, bake, or make dressings. These oils work best as part of a generally healthy diet, like the Mediterranean or DASH diet. Think lots of veggies, fruits, whole grains, and lean protein. They really shine when you eat them with whole foods. When it comes to preventing heart attacks and strokes, extra virgin olive oil is still king, especially if you are eating a Mediterranean-style diet. Canola oil is a great, affordable backup, and it is super effective at lowering bad cholesterol. Both are smart choices when you use them instead of saturated fats. You can start improving your health right in your kitchen today. These small, steady changes can lead to huge, long-lasting benefits for your heart and overall health. And hey, if you are making big changes or have health concerns, always chat with your doctor or a dietitian. They can give you personalized advice. Take care of yourself.
This video is brought to you by Global Men's Wellness, your 24/7 AI health expert.
Get on-demand, concierge-level answers in seconds, not weeks, without the cost, the wait, or the awkward conversations associated with traditional medical visits. Take control of your health anytime, anywhere. Visit globalmenswellness.com to start your free trial today.